Okay guys, on April 29, 2024. So now you can see that this is my geranium plant. Botanically it is also called as pelargonium. So now you can see it properly that it is a mature plant which is having a lot of flowers on it and a lot of branches as well. Now we will try to propagate it from the stem cutting. So first of all we need to take our pruner and then we have to select certain branches. The cutting must be of more than 2 inches, and if the length of the cutting is up to 6 inches, still it is good. So now we will just cut these cuttings out like this. We have taken our first cutting and this is our second cutting. And one more thing that like succulents, the propagation of geranium is very easy. Like we can say that the results are usually up to 100%. The same like succulents. So now we will take our third cutting and now we have to place all of these cuttings in shade. Although they can tolerate certain semi-shade condition, but still it is not good because they can undergo certain stress. So we have to keep them in good shade so that they will dry out and careless cover, because wounds are not good. First we have to wait for wound healing and then we will plant the cuttings out in the media. So now you can see our plant. We have taken around 4 of our cuttings. Okay, so these are our cuttings with a lot of leaves. And one more thing, that you also need to cut the lower leaves out like this. Why it is so? Because whenever we will plant the cutting, these leaves will get in contact with the soil and then cause certain sort of root rot. So it is not good. Okay. So we have removed the lower leaves and now we have to place these cuttings within the shade. Okay, on May 12, 2024, I am doing the voice dubbing, so you will not see any sort of change in my voice. The videos are made on the respective dates. Now these 3 cuttings, okay, they are not in a perfect shade because they are under green net, so they will get certain sunlight as well. So now we have taken our media and it consists of simple sand and simple garden soil in 50-50% proportion. We have watered them out and now you can see that how good the drainage of our media is, because it contains 50% sand. And now we will put our cuttings inside this and this. Okay, so we have planted 3 of our cuttings and now we have also planted the 4th one as well. Now the cuttings are in a lot of stress due to dehydration and due to sun exposure. So now let me zooming out so that you will see properly. And as it is the summer season, the month of June, so we have to keep them in shade. Okay, on June 7, 2024. Now after a lot of days has been passed and we can see that now our cuttings are looking good and healthy. Although the flowers dry out, but still the cuttings are having a very good growth on shooting and on rooting. Okay, we can see the shooting growth on shooting side, and we will take these cuttings out to see the progress on the rooting side, that either some roots developed or not. So now we will Press this, press the pot. We will take it out like this. Okay, so like this you can see that. You can see certain delicate roots. Although the progress is not, we can't say that there are a lot of roots, but still, obviously it has some roots. So still we can see, okay, now with this cutting we can see certain roots. We can see certain roots, although they are not having any sort of strength. Okay, with this cutting we got a lot of roots with good strength. Now you can see that with this method we can grow our geranium cuttings within the simple soil media. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.